Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang Lincoln Penny ng Amerika. Mayroong taon na 2004. Share ko sa inyo guys ang kanyang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys, dahil ito ay napakataas ang bintahan dito sa ating mga auction record. The 2004 Lincoln Penny, part of the long standing series honoring the 16th US President Abraham Lincoln, features his profile on the obverse designed by the Victor David Brenner and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, crafted by Frank Gasparo. This design combination was in use from 1959 through 2008. The coin weighs 2.5 grams and is composed of 99.2% of zinc and 0.8% of copper. In 2004, the US Mint produced Lincoln Pennies across 3 facilities. From Philadelphia, Mint Marts produced 3,379,600,000 coins produced. And Denver Mint Mart, 3,456,400,000 coins were produced. And the San Francisco Mint Mart, FROP coins with 2,965,422 coins were produced. The FROP coins, due to their high mintage, most 2004 pennies in circulated condition hold only their face value. However, uncirculated coins can carry a premium. 2004 Mint Mark and 2004 Mint Mark pennies, approximately $0.30 in uncirculated condition with an MA65 red grade. 2004 East Proof penny around $4 in a PR65 red condition or RD condition. Notably, some 2004 pennies have achieved significant auction results. 2004 Mint Mark, a specimen graded MA69 RD, sold for $604 in October 2011. And 2004 Mint Mark, an MS69 RD graded coin, pitched $4,198 in November 2008. 2004 Mint Mark or FROP penny, a PR69 red def cameo examples, sold in November 2004. These exceptional prices are attributed to the coin's pristine condition, are rare, high grades. Collectors often seek out such tough grade specimens, leading to competitive bidding at auctions. While standard 2004 pennies are common, those with unique errors or in exceptional condition can be of interest to collectors. For instance, off-center strike or double die errors may increase coins value. However, significant errors for this year are relatively uncommon. In summary, while most 2004 Lincoln pennies are plentiful and hold minimal value beyond their face amount, coins in superior uncirculated condition or those with unique errors can attract premiums in the numismatic market. So yun guys, sa mga nakuha natin mga informasyon guys tungkol dito sa ating barya guys ng Amerika, ang 1 cents ng Amerika. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.